They had 3 caps and killed 3 ships. So.
All right, boys and girls, here we go.
Roxy Wizard. The Wizard? Wizard.
What is this, Moskva night?
You get 3 battleships with 2 Moscow.
C to D, guys.
Okay.
Scout up the middle a little bit.
Yeah, I want you to come with, or whoever is the DD coming, the guards be with.
DD closest to Vivified. That's John.
Yeah.
You go with Vivified and do what he says.
Roger.
Thank you.
Hey, John, just slow down there now and turn around towards C. But don't accelerate away, just slow down a bit.
Try to go into B.
No, not right now, no. We're just spotting from the side ring.
Well, C.
Outside, Rich?
Yeah, if you want to drop torch down that channel towards B, that's a good idea.
Towards B.
Yep, down that channel. There's someone going down that channel towards B. Maybe not. Maybe they're on the outside of time, but there is someone on that angle.
Huh?
Oh, there's the Shima. There he is. He's the closest guy to us.
No, I hold one back. Where do you see about the D?
Just, yeah, do a flip around and go on the outside of the Al Hydra so there's none coming out this channel behind. We're gonna try and hunt that.
Okay, the enemy is someplace right about here or here.
Okay. I should be spotting somebody soon.
Give you what now?
Turn around back towards me. If you got torpedoes, drop them into B.
B.
Group C.
Where is
BT.
everybody? I just got radar.
PT, flip some
Oh, shit.
torps down towards that island. Towards
Right over
this.
there where the shots just came from.
Yeah,
Places,
on this side.
leave this.
And I'm gonna go down there and make his life miserable.
Nice.
You want Squirrel to go.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes astern.
You guys have a numerical advantage down there, so you guys should be at the back as he's pushing up.
BT and Squirrel push for D.
We know where he is.
Come out.
Thank goodness for spotting planes. He's gonna flush out of there in just a second.
I'll leg him on.
He's backing now. You're gonna
Yeah.
have guns on him, Squirrel.
Hey, Squirrel, on your right side, there's a DE coming in between those two islands on your 3 o'clock flank. RPF is showing him going towards you.
Now he's beaching himself behind the island there. He's trying to snuggle closer.
Can you smoke DL, John?
Yes, I do. One.
Thank you. Yes, please. Smoke and turn left towards
Oh
D.
no.
Try and hook up with Squirrel.
Oh no.
D.
Good job, Red.
Done.
Oh,
Yeah, nice.
we got him.
Kill the Shima.
Oops.
I will.
Watch out for that Monty. He wants to be your friend.
Oh, he's way out there
Here
too.
are the torpedo tubes.
The ship is on fire.
I got my Hydra up for another 30 seconds. Maybe I'll get close enough to spot him.
Problem solved, sir.
We need to turn on my radar.
Not yet. I'm not close enough. Actually, you're out behind me, aren't you? We probably
Okay.
could get him now.
Need help?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's take him out.
Need help?
Just try and run. Yeah, I see that. I can't go. I got radar right now. The Moscow should be down in a second.
I'll be protection range or whatever. Nah, they
There's
got
the
me.
second one. Just keep running. Just get behind that island. Go nose on towards that Montana, but hug at that island so he can't shoot into you.
Hopefully my port will hit him.
I think he's running.
He's running.
The 5, there's a DD up behind you.
Got him.
I saw him. I put 11K into him.
2, 3,
Nice whack on the Montana.
40 seconds to Thor.
D flashed for a second, but
I got one hit on him.
got a really nice good rock here. Do you want me to poke out and shoot at the Montana?
Do something.
On your 11 o'clock Squirrel, there's 2 Moscas in B.
Montana's getting too close.
I don't know if they'll reach you.
BT, you got smoke for me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, lay it down. I'll be right in there. And then I'm going to put up
Yep.
some radar.
Awesome.
Going forward.
You better pull back in.
All right, I'm ready.
You just get your nose out there, Squirrel. That's all. Just your nose.
All I did. That's all I did.
Just your turrets. I can see a lot more out than that. Okay, a little radar here for fun.
All right.
Both those cruisers are hiding up there.
He's looking at me.
Reach that.
What? 30-second smoke, I forgot.
Oh, sorry, I should have said something.
Not really. I'm supposed to know these things.
Let's keep that fire on that Montana. HE if he's nose on, and EP if you got a bit of broadside.
Hey, what happened? How did I get turned this way?
Tana's gonna be gone. He's gone.
Okay, focus on that Hindenburg now.
I got the kill credit.
Destroyer out there also.
Steve, go left. You don't want to come this way. There's a DD this way behind me. There's the torpedoes.
I
You two,
really
yell
don't
down,
have
accelerate. There's torpedoes coming in.
beach myself here.
That's okay.
Bad torpedoes.
German torpedoes, not for long range. Yeah, no, we're going into B. You got a smoke, John?
Not for another 1 minute, and he's got me.
I'm right beside you. We're gonna take on this guy. Go nose in onto him.
The ship is on fire.
Die, milk face.
Hope there's some time.
Alright, this is Montana. I'm going to be flooding out.
Taking C.
Torp him if you got him.
I just torped that destroyer thing. Nope.
Squirrel is pretty free. What would you like me to do?
Come and get this destroyer with us. He just disappeared out of my screen. I can't see him
Good
now.
trade deal, John. That was beautiful.
No. Don't chase south. We need to get north and win this game.
Okay.
Okay. We need to cap is what we needed.
He's running anyway.
That's right.
We hit him pretty good.
B to A? Do you want me to do B to A?
There he is.
Only got 3
You
ships.
headed for that other cruiser? Vivified?
Yeah, well, whoever's
Okay.
around this island.
Cap and
you
kill
are-
and stay alive. It's a magic combination. Well, so much for that.
He's gonna make a mistake.
They gotta come to us. Guys, just keep coming up to follow me. Squirrel and Steve, turn into me. There's gonna be a Moscow out in a second.
Okay. Good to know.
Is it more important to kill the Moskva or take A?
Moscow.
Am detected, probably by the DD that was in C.
That's his. Yeah, probably. I guess so. Just keep coming up towards me. Rush this Moscow.
Managed to take the human
He's
down to
done
a
good
quarter
staying
health.
alive. That was awesome.
HE on
Gina,
Moscow if you have it.
Team in the south is about at about a quarter health, if that helps.
Okay, I'm detected, no doubt, by a Shima. And radar up.
Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. There you are, you little dog.
Okay, everyone's fire on that Shima behind us.
Oh yeah, that dairy just eating it up, huh?
Yeah, Darien is a beautiful gun.
Ready?
Hey now.
There he is.
Somebody's getting a little too close. I need an adult here.
I'm gonna smoke you guys. Just keep shooting on the Moscow. I'll spot him.
Okay, I got a DD on the nose.
I'm coming with you.
Squirrel and Steve, you guys should be free to fire on the
Victory
Moscow.
is in sight.
Steve, you might be seen by the Shima behind you.
On fire pretty good now.
Yeah, he's running.
Yeah, just keep raining that E or HE on him. That's the way to burn down this guy.
Okay. It's almost
I'll
at
keep-
my gun range.
Yeah, just follow up on the smoke. Just follow through the smoke.
Nice job, Rich. Nice job.
I'm down to 19 health.
Yeah.
You've done amazing. Like, honestly, that's a good job.
Excellent.
1-1. Hey.
Never a doubt, Rich. Never a doubt.
Yeah.